this R8 pulled up, so I'll show you guys that. It's a V8 R8. I got my shadow all over it, but the owner is nice enough to let me film it a little bit. Both gotta break some sound ordinances. He actually mentioned he was asking about that, so it's funny, I just made a video about that. This thing, I heard it coming in, it's pretty loud. Nice, got the carbon blade. If you want to follow him on Instagram right there. Sick. 10 years to get it?
Couple Porsches in 10 years, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good plate. Yeah, see, mine's just Doty 50, that's my last name.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
I like that too.
That basically took 10 years too, but totally different.
Gotta have those goals, man.
I know. That's all it is. All you guys that message me about having goals and getting a 5.0 and all that, raise your goals up to stuff like this, like supercars, because that's really where you want to be, because even if you land a little short, you end up there, but aim for that. How's that feel?
I don't know, I can't relate. Broadway static life.
Right here is Roscoe's newest little project. This is the Smart Cart. John and Roscoe have been working on this. John's the guy that made all my fitted racing splitters and stuff like that. But they're building this thing. They're gonna have a bash bar on it, a huge wing. It's basically like the Hoonigan's like shark cart, but C5 Corvette. So this thing's a manual C5, has like Flowmaster, and it's gonna have a chassis mount wing and everything. This thing's gonna be crazy.
Foaming this out, and they're gonna like cut it, so it looks really good already.
Yeah, no, this is looking nice. This is good.
And they made a T-bar, or like the T-top.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be super solid. So this is gonna be like a drift project, a road warrior, just crazy shark cart type of thing. So yeah, maybe you'll see this on Hoonigan, because I'd kind of want to see them go against them and see if they can out-drift the old Hoonigan guys. The Razor like 1000, the side-by-side headlights, so these are LED, custom bracketed and everything to make it look a little bit different. So yeah, this thing's coming along, and I'm sure he'll be recording some videos and making some content for you guys, so you guys can see how this comes along. But yeah, this thing's gonna be cool.
Right here, though.
Yeah, we got this aftermarket stick.
It's only a 300,000 millimeters.
Dude, this thing is like a pencil. Just steering this
had
thing.
to be off one of his old Mercedes or something.
Yeah, has to be. And then also the Testarossa over there. So yeah, they got the Corbeau seat. Probably just a single seat for now, but yeah, they got their deep dish wheel. Yeah, this thing's coming along. I remember when this thing was all in here and just getting started, so they made some pretty good progress. All right, so now what we're gonna go do is go take some photos for Car Gazette, so I'm sure you guys don't really wanna see that, so we're just gonna knock that out. I think we're gonna go up on the roof, so I'll show you guys the view up there as well. This guy, oh my God, he just goes for it.
I knew there was something, but I was on the camera on
We
one
leave
thing.
you for the map only.
One finger. Can I see the vlog?
Are you recording? Oh yeah.
Indiana Doty.
We're up here. I'm not sure enough to be though.
Yeah, this is nice up here. We came at a good time because it's sunset.
Cobra actually sits back that way.
Oh, okay.
A little further.
Dang. So there you
So
go.
that's downtown, right? But over here, just this is where they're doing the MLS stadium. Is gonna sit back here. That's the rail yards.
Really quickly, I want to interrupt this video and give thank you to one of our sponsors, which is Car Gazette. I was doing their photo shoot earlier in this video, but I also want to show you guys what you can expect in the muscle box for next month. As you can see, when you open it up, you get greeted with the red packaging, and you get a few goodies. So right here's one of the shirts I was wearing today, which is the Car Gazette with the pistons. Pretty sweet design on the back. I actually really do love this, and it's right here on the front as well. So super soft, fits good. I'm an XL and I'm about 6'2", 190 pounds. Continuing on, they actually rolled the dice and nailed the GT500. So this is pretty high quality screen print, but this is the GT500 that just got released at the Detroit Auto Show. A lot of you guys have asked me what are my thoughts on this. Maybe I'll make a video on it. I'm super late to that. I just didn't want to hop on the hype and just say a bunch of things like other people and just try to clickbait you. Right here is the poster for the month. It's Detroit. the Cobra center, and it has the 3 M8, the Supra, and the GT500. Of course, we got their card as always. We got the sticker of the first shirt, the sticker of the second shirt, which is the GT500, pretty sweet. Auto Show scent, which is black ice. This month we have Tire Shine from Chemical Guys, as well as the Tire Shine applicator right there. And my favorite, these little black rags or dark gray rags. These things are super, super useful. I've just started owning a big stack of them now, and they come in handy all the time. I always leave one in like each vehicle. Big shout out to Car Gazette. Now let's continue on with the video. So over here at Roscoe's Garage, this is probably one of my favorite cars in here. It's the Testarossa, just iconic with the side vents. I mean, I know it's dark, but you guys can kind of see in there. Showed off that 488. This is where Ferrari kind of started. I mean, it's not one of their first ones, but still has the fender shield, still has the pop-up headlights. I mean, this is just period correct of the 80s. Just, you'd see this rolling around Miami with like drug lords and everything, so it's just kind of funny that Roscoe actually has 2 of these. The other one is over there.
2 here.
Yeah, well, he has 2 of them here. He actually is probably a lot more than that, but there's one over there behind that silver car. So yeah, this is just one of my favorite ones of Roscoe's. Got to show off the gated shifter. You guys can't see anything, so I'm gonna turn on my light. There, you guys can kind of see a little bit of that with the gated shifter down there. Yeah, this thing straight out of the 80s. Pretty cool. Hopefully it gets this running right, and maybe we'll drive this around. That's gonna pretty much do it for the photo shoot. Now we're just gonna go over there, see what's on the other side of Roscoe's Garage with all the other cars. Way better lighting, so let's go see what's happening over there. Back over here in Classic Car Wonderland, Roscoe kind of organized it a bit. He also added to the collection. Got the NSX that I really wanted to drive, but it was dead one day with the battery. It's got a couple seats right there. And Sabir's now on the E36 with the French tip.
This is how I'm doing my headlights.
French headlights.
This is how I'm doing my headlights, but instead of the yellow over the projector, I'm blacking out around the projector and leaving that clear.
Here, and then especially this one. I think I've said that every time I've come here.
Coke white.
But Coke white interior, baby. Coke white.
Oh, this one's almost back together. This is the one that just got repainted.
This one got repainted?
Yeah, and all the bodywork was
Oh yeah. This is glass out dirty, repaint. This is Roscoe's turbo right here, getting all repainted. Yep, new bumper on there. So had a little bit of body work from the previous people installing the wrap. Not gonna name any names, but we got ADV ones right there. This one's all tuned and everything, so it'll be cool to see that car back on the road. The 599, getting some body work. Got John's racing splitter right there on there. So yeah, talking about fitted racing, John can even do Ferrari, so he did my Mustang, so I have no worries about this. That's pretty much a wrap up of how Roscoe's Garage kind of changed over time a little bit. Yeah, it's coming along. Do not run, no fluids, restoration. Yeah, see, look, he's got everything planned out. 3-1.
Do not run, yeah, no fluids, okay.
He's going to restoration in 3-1-19, so we'll keep him up.
Everybody was trying to hate on that video of the tour, but they don't know, you can't fix 100 cars at once.
Yeah, he's got a ton of projects working on all the time and guys working and stuff, so yeah, here he is. There's the Bushi right there. So give a Bushi a follow, give Roscoe a follow, and hopefully over time we'll start to see all these things running in mint condition. Here's Roscoe's most reliable car. Even though it's carbureted, you just turn on the fuel pump. His Cobra is still the most reliable car up in here. Every time.
That's the only one that ever turns on every time.
Every time. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. If I was to get one, I'd get black with dark gray stripes. So I downloaded a little decibel meter app, and as you can see, I'm talking, it's around like 80 or so. So we're just gonna have fun with the Cobra and just see from about 2 feet away or whatever.
Yeah, I think you have to be a little further to make it accurate.
Yeah, we'll make it a little further, but we'll go ahead and see what it does. So I'm talking like 2 feet away from it, 73, 75. So we'll see what the Cobra does. So start it up. Yeah, that's 110 at the rev.
That's about 3,500.
It idles at 96.
That's a 3,500 RPM rev.
Yeah, it idles at 96. Basically just long, it looks like long tube headers out the side. So yeah, that would not pass if you got pulled over by CHP. Get an exhaust ticket because everything in California is apparently illegal, especially exhaust. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here. This is Roscoe's. I had the photo shoot, drove the Mustang a little bit. I have to still drive home, but it's pretty dark, so not much to see. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was a quick one. However, I've just been really busy with school. I'm gonna work on getting more content out for you guys and also some more installs. If you did enjoy, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.